Frustrated with the Loader module DLL pop-up ruining your stream? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist, and I'll show you the professional way to patch your game files. Ensure your Loader module environment is stable by using the recommended tool linked below. This is the Loader module, a generic naming convention used by many specialized scene, bypasses, and mod launchers like Bepinex or Smapi. It manages the injection of third-party logic into a game's process memory during the initial boot sequence. Because it acts as a hook, it is the most likely file to be quarantined by antivirus software, resulting in a failed-to-start error for modded games. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. If you see a Loader module DLL alert, it usually indicates a corruption within the Localized resource loader orchestration subfolder of your program, so you should reinstall the affected software to clear the conflict and restore the file. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your applications directory. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Loader module file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry, we have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Warning: Loader module. DLL missing error is often a symptom of a larger issue that a simple manual download will never be able to fully resolve. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. The diagnostic maintenance tool linked below offers background information for scanning Loader module-related issues. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing Loader module from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.